shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whispers for March 30th, 2020. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Staying safe, staying at home, please. Let's start with the SPY. So we had a new level on Friday, 23 million at 262.13. We are below that. Yeah, you see all these blue lines on my daily chart? Those are all dark pool levels. So you can see we'll be playing Prit Pong for quite a while here. So keep your targets shorter term. Yeah, hit singles and doubles. Don't go for those home runs just yet. So let's be bullish above 256.50. All right, and you can see I put this 262.13. That would be a retracement to the dark pool. If we do move up, we'll most likely test that level. However, bearish below 250. That is a major level. Yeah, if we close below the 8 EMA on this daily chart, that's going to be the first day, and that would be bearish in about a week or so, right, since we moved above there. So really key to watch that. Let's go to the E-minis. E-minis bullish above 25.55, bearish below 24.90. The Russell pretty quiet, no big new levels, but bullish above 114 and bearish below 110. Again, really watching to see how we close today. Are we going to stay above the 8 or are we going to close below it? If we do, that's going to be bearish. All right. Watch those very carefully. QQQ. Bullish above 187.50 and bear below 184. We got the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 76.70. Bear below 7,500. Oil is what everybody's watching. Right now, we are coming down to that 20 level. Yeah, this is getting really ugly for oil. Yeah, really, really ugly. We are below major, massive dark pool sell prints. So hope you have some kind of short position on. I'm going to go over USO, which is really cheap right now, but there's lots of oil stocks. I put a lot of them in the dark pool insights for you to watch: PBR, XLE, right, and USO. But the actual oil futures, yeah, bearish below 20.37. We already went down below that. We've hit quite a few targets. Everybody's watching the 20 level. Let me just go to that weekly chart. Oh yeah, remember I told you about this trend line last week, right? If we close below it, look out. That was so key. It tried to climb up. See that? It tried to climb up last week, but could not. And that was very key level. So this could get really, I mean, have we ever been this low? No, right? Yeah, I don't think we've, not in my lifetime. Yeah, this is like unprecedented, right? Too bad we're not going anywhere. Oh, are they lower prices at the pump, you guys? Back in the 80s? Okay, I was alive. It was 20. Yeah. What are the gas prices at the pump? $1.66 a gallon? Wow. Crazy. All right. Well, bear below 20.37, and it could go much lower. All right. Let's not even try to peg the bottom until we see some buying coming in. Yeah, but 20 is going to be key to watch here. Let's go to gold futures. Yeah, many oil companies will go out of business if this happens. That's right, Paul. If they're not already, yeah, it's not good. All right, gold futures are also coming down as well, right to this S1 level, which you can see the volume popped in. We should get some buyers here. If we can't hold on to S1, look out below for gold. We're going to be bullish above 16.52.50. That's going to be above the pivot. And we are going to be bearish below 1642. We already came down. And that's why you'll see me write 1636, right? S1. Yep, that's why I use those for my targets. They're amazing. And then if we don't hold that, we'll most likely come down to S2, right? 1680.30. But what I look at is the pre-market volume early on to pick those levels. All right, let's go to, let me just put this back to oil and we'll go to the individual stocks. Okay, let's go. I have a lot of them for you guys. I was busy this morning. Woke up extra early. Excited to go to work. AMD, we're going to be bullish above 47. Yeah, so, you know, I'm looking at this chart. Looks like it could be a rounded top right here. Okay, so watch for that. You can see these wicks. Every time we have wicks, sellers, you know, have come in there. So we'll watch. We could go as high as this 48 though. So that's why there's this little trade to the upside right here. However, bearish below 46. There's a trade right here, this pocket between the 4 and the 8 EMA. So bearish below the 4, retracing down to the 8. We do have a gap here. So if we do close weak, yeah, we could even go down to 44, bounce, and then fill in the gap. It's a very popular pattern. So let's go to the next one, Apple. It's always good to be prepared in either direction that a stock goes. When you're mentally prepared, you're able to attack it. If not, it's really hard to reverse or think the other way. So that's why every single morning you'll see me doing bullish above, bearish below, and I want you to do that yourself. Okay, I want you to have those two levels in your head. Really, really important as a trader. Okay, so bullish above 255 on Apple. And I gave really big levels here. We do have dark pool level at 253.10. And Apple can move a lot pretty quickly, but I mean, there might be a little short trade up to 255, but I like it above 255. Bear below 246 for Apple if it does start to move down. Microsoft bullish above 152.50. Really key level. I really like the space in the chart right here. Okay, there's room there. This 152 is going to be killer. We have the 161 EMA there in silver. It's pretty powerful. Bear below 148.75 for Microsoft. Okay, let's go to Guild. Just be careful on these drug stocks. Have to put a warning out. I prefer options when doing them. You never know if they get halted, so please be careful. But it has a lot of pre-market volume today. So bullish above 75.50, bearish below 73 for Guild. Tesla bullish above 520 and bear below 502.50. Now watch this 8 EMA. That's going to be really key. It does move. Right now it's 504.52, but if we do go below that, that's when the bear move is on to about this 480 level. There's a nice gap in the chart right there, so watch that carefully. We have American Airlines. Yeah, not doing well. Below the recent print, 1443. Only bullish above that print, 1450. Bear below 13. We are approaching that. Or actually, we hit it and bounced off once. Yeah, so watch that level. There's a lot of room below. There's really no support there for American Airlines. CCL. Carnival, yeah, not doing well either. Bullish above 1450, bear below 13 as well, same level. Watch that, really key. Boeing is kind of stuck in between the 4 and the 8. See this? Yeah, this is not a good place, but once it gets unstuck, it should be good. So bullish above 158 and bear below 146 for Boeing. USO, I've been in this one for a couple days now. Bearish below 420. We had massive prints on this, 8 million, in between 448 and 485. So we are below that right now, which is bearish. I'll only be bullish if we can go above 450, and that would be a retracement to the other, like print pong, from one dark pool level to the next possibility. And then if we were to go above those, that's the only time I will turn bullish. Okay, that's when I would go long if we can close above 485. Okay, so keep those levels. Don't ever go to sleep on the wrong side of the prints, okay? My number one rule, by the way, keeps me in this game for 26 years. TLRY. Tilray. Yeah, Tilray up thrusted. Yep, up thrusted on Friday on the Simple 30. Yep, if you don't have this, put this on your chart. It's free, 30 simple moving average. They're all really good. Computers are loaded to sell right there, and they always do, at least the first time. You know, the second time, if it were to go up there, there'd probably be less sellers, and then you'd have a trade from here to here, right? But right now, we're not there, and there's a retracement trade possibly in progress back down to the 4 EMA. So bearish below 8 or the 8 EMA, okay, with those targets, and only bullish above 9. If we can break above 9, possibly we'll go up and retest. So there you have it. Those are your whispers for March 30th, 2020. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.